To download the footage of your GoPro camera into your phone, what you need to do is to visit the Quik App from GoPro. Down here, go to the GoPro tab, and you can here scan for new footage. If you see that, it's probably that there is no new footage. So if you just record another footage, hello, just like that, and stop it, there you should see this GoPro has new footage, and all you need to do is to download it. Just wait for it for a few seconds. Hit join. Still wait. And keep waiting. It's not that quick, as the app says. And then it's downloaded. You can see the footage you have downloaded into the media tab, just right here. This is the one I have just downloaded. Or you can go also here to scan for new footage. I said there is nothing in here. You can go into view media if you want to see everything that is inside the camera. So if I want to download another one, I can select another one and download it with the button just right here. From there, it is into the app, into the media tab. And if you want to send it to your phone, you can select the one that you want to send and hit that button right here and say save to phone. You can select a quality if you want to compress it or just send it to your phone like that. And then this is done. If I exit this and go into the photo app, that's not the one I wanted. Personally use that one. Well, then the photo is just right there. The photo, video, whatever. It's now in your phone and in the app. So I hope this was helpful.